Hi, I'm Gary from Eco Living Resources. Um, I'm the owner and founder, and we're here today with Patrick Storm from homeowner in Elk Grove, California.
Hey Gary, how are you?
I'm fine, Patrick. How are you today?
Really good.
You're looking good.
Hey, it's been a couple months since I seen you. The last time I saw you, you guys were installing our Quiet Cool Whole House fan, and we did I think it's an attic fan also.
Yes, we
Uh,
did. Yeah. How
yeah,
are those working out for you?
it's been awesome. We've been running our air conditioning less. The air quality in our house, I always kind of had indoor allergies, and now that we've got more exchange of fresh air, I'm feeling so much better. And if I accidentally burn something on the stove, I just kick the whole house fan on, and the house smells better instantly. So it's really incredible. We're loving it. My sister is thinking about getting one. My dad's thinking. Everybody comes over, and when it's a little bit hot outside and it starts to cool down at night, we just crack open the windows, and it's like having a whole other air conditioning unit that just really moves the air around. It's been incredible. I wish I did it earlier.
Well, that's one of the real aspects of this is that our referral business is a big part of our business because people like you love what they have and they refer other people. And one of the things is that we have you probably know this, that we have a 1 year performance guarantee that if after a year you feel like it doesn't work, you can actually take it out and give it back to me for 100% of your money back.
I totally forgot
So
about that, but you can't take it away from me. Don't take my quiet cool away. Don't take it away. So and it was great because you came out, you had your electrician, you had your roofer, you told me if I needed, a painter or anything else, you had all these people lined up. But it was such a quick and easy process. And, I didn't even, you saved me for myself because I didn't realize how bad the air exchange was in our attic because the house was built in the 40s. And the roofer put in extra vents in the roof line. And so now, even without the whole house fan running, when the attic fan's running, the temperature in our attic is just crazy. It's so much cooler. So then we don't have to run everything else. I mean, all of these things that I didn't even know when you got out there, you were able to give us so much advice on what we needed to really have the house be more comfortable. And man, you were spot on. It's been incredible.
well, thank you, Patrick. So one of the things that if you recall, we did is you gave me the address of your home, and that's actually
Yep.
was your home in Grass Valley,
Yep.
and that home being as old as it is, the code back then didn't require that homes have a lot of gable vents or
Or
vents in the
any.
roof. Yeah, and what we actually put into our home, I had my roofer put on in your home are vents that have fire protection. They're what's called WUI rated, Wildland Urban Interface fire rated, so that when embers fly, they won't penetrate into your home. So not only is your attic breathing better, but you're actually more protected because of those vents.
Yeah, well,
And so I
and
understand that.
yeah, and there's been a lot of wildfires, so that made us sleep much better at night, knowing that we weren't getting having probable embers from fires that were happening, 5-10 miles down the road. So that was something that we really liked, and the low profile of them was really nice on the roof, so we didn't have these big domes all over the place to give us air exchange. So that was a great suggestion, and we love it. It looks beautiful.
Great. Well, thank you. So don't forget that um, when you get ready to replace your roof, my roofer can come out and do that work for you, and he knows your home, and you actually already know him.
Yeah, no, and I'm going to probably have your electrician out too to do some other work, and we'll probably have you back out to do bathroom fans later, and so you're always bringing other things that you have that are going to make our life more comfortable. So it's really exciting to work with you, and it's a lot of fun. We really appreciate all the work you've done at our house, so thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Yeah, so that's the cool thing about what we do is I have great relationships with all of the manufacturers, especially Quiet Cool. Most manufacturers do not know who their dealers are. They know me really well. So I brought that brand to Northern California 12 years ago, and it's expanded. Lots of other people do installation, but nobody does a complete kind of thing like we do.
Yeah. So, well, thanks for the call today, Gary. I look forward to seeing you again and have you do more work on my house.
Okay, you're welcome, Patrick. Talk to you soon.